Subscribe to the clickyourshop.com YouTube channel and like Click Your Shop on Facebook for the latest updates and promotions. Hello everybody, this is ZY from clickyourshop.com, and today we'll be taking a look at the Yongnuo 622 flash transceivers. Now the Yongnuo 622s are Yongnuo's wireless TTL flash transceivers. Now being transceivers, that means that they can function as either a receiver or a transmitter. So these 622s come in a pack of 2 and they are available in Canon or Nikon mounts. Be sure to get the correct mount for your camera because the Canon and Nikon units are not cross-compatible. So these transceivers are powered by 2 AA batteries each. So turning them on, you will notice there is a bright status indicator at the bottom, and then we have bright green group and channel indicators. So on the transceiver itself, it's a pretty minimalistic design. There is a hot shoe mount on the top and bottom. We have an on-off switch, a sliding on-off switch on the sides. We have a channel setting button, a group setting button, and a test button. On the side, there's also a PC synchronization port. Now the function of these transceivers are basically like a link that allow your flash and camera to communicate wirelessly. So that means you can wirelessly control and trigger the flash off camera. So the way it works is you attach one unit to your camera that will function as the transmitter. Following that, you attach the other unit that will function as the receiver to your TTL flash. So these units have a 100-meter working radius. That means they will work within 100 meters of each other, which is pretty far. And unlike manual flash transmitters, these don't just transmit the trigger signal, but these also relay the TTL information. So the flash should behave as if it were mounted on the camera itself. With that, that means TTL metering is possible even when the flash is off of the camera. Now the Yongnuo 622s are compatible with all TTL features such as high-speed sync, rear curtain sync, flash exposure bracketing, and etc. So they can be on one of 7 channels, as you can see on the channel indicator. Here is channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can choose from 7 channels and make sure your transmitter and receiver are both on the same channel. If not, they will not work. So apart from 7 channels, you can also put them into one of 3 groups, group A, B, and C. Now, because there are no setting buttons on the 622s themselves, you have to control the flash settings or the other parameters from inside the in-camera menu. Now, on the transmitter unit of the camera, you can actually stack another flash on top of the transmitter. And the TTL information and firing data will actually pass through the transmitter, so it will still transmit the data, but it will also trigger the flash that is currently on the camera. So you can choose to fire wireless slaves and an on-camera flash simultaneously. The YN622s can also fire a fixed AF pattern to help with low light focusing. So if you're interested in purchasing this item, then be sure to purchase it directly from clickyourshop.com. To check it out, please follow the link on the screen. The link will also be in the description below. So that is it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching.